hole up in there, god damn. Stupid ass.
What stacked into me, first of all? It was a 2015 Toyota Corolla with some big ass tow bar on it. Oh, massive. And it just took my shit out. Went straight to the front bumper, pushed in the fender, shifted all the lights over somehow. We're about to inspect it a little bit more soon. Someone's fucking yelling. Someone's dog's my fucking... Yeah, they shouldn't have been driving whatsoever. I didn't even know why they were anywhere near my shit. But, yeah, we're just chilling inside, heard the biggest fucking smash. Because, yeah, my whole car's fiberglass, the whole thing, tip to toe, molded everything. Yeah, anyway, on that Wednesday afternoon, I was just chilling with my bros, you know, like we all were. We were just trying to see our homies for the last day. And, yeah, someone stacked into my whip. First of all, they shouldn't have been driving. Second of all, they'd never driven a right-hand drive car. Third of all, they didn't even have a license. And fourth of all, what the fuck are you doing anywhere near my car if you've never driven a car before? What the fuck? The tow bar went straight through it, and no damage whatsoever. She just fucking boom, put it in there, stopped for a bit while the tow bar was still in my car. Heard me, boom, ripped the bumper off. So when you guys saw that video that I put up, that was my legit first reaction. That was like 2 minutes. I was like beside myself. And yeah, 4 years hard work and took like that, but nah, we're coming back harder than ever.
Boom! What the fuck? Oh, like, yeah, I've done plenty glass jobs. I can, you know, like, I'm molded these and stuff. I can repair it, but that's not the point. You're missing the point. Yeah, I'm not a painter either, so painting something like this would be many thousands of dollars, and yeah, they can cover that because that ain't my fault. But yeah, tow ball sort of like you can see here, and the whole tow bar just went straight through. So yeah, it's a good little, and I don't know, it's like fuck this shit up a little bit. Like not bad, but like still fuck that. Fuck like all this shit up, like super bad. And yeah, must have done that too, eh? So no, we'll move around. I was gonna say we'll start off here. Well, like first of all, watch this. I don't know, she fucked up the support somehow. But it doesn't even... I don't know, so yeah, that's like, this whole thing's been like pushed over. If you like pull up on it, it goes back into place, but obviously there ain't gonna be no one pulling this up while I'm driving. It happened. And yeah, so if you wanna look at that for perspective, look from like here to here. Now check this. Now look, from fucking here to here, what? You can just see how much she's pushed it in. She's fucking somehow fucking pushed this all in here too. Fucked all that up. Fucked all the tabs up in there. Yeah, you can actually see that the side's actually pushed in a little bit. My bumper support is like, you can just see how fucked it is. Yeah, she must have done that too. Bloody hell. That's that. Yeah, that's all cracked up in there. It's all smashed up. Oh yeah, that's a nice angle of it. It's a nice angle right there. Punted it. And that front end looking nice though. Oh. Damn, you see those? Holy. I think you see these ones too though. I need to get like the... hectic. So, yeah, going to take the wheels off the 14, put on axle stands, jack up the rear, take those wheels off, put them on the front, and then put the Kiwamis on the rear of this. Let's go. Jesus, these need a good clean and polish. Might have to do that. bit of an engine bay refresh. Gonna paint the rocker cover, try get all this extinguisher powder off. Cause yeah, this is actually insane. The whole thing's so dirty. I shouldn't have left it this long, but as you know, yeah, got stacked into and all that, so. I mean, my manifold went a pretty cool, like, sort of color, but it's still, like, ugly as. Oh no, that's not too bad now. But you can just see, look at the pipes, the exhaust housing. Look at in the intake. It's not too bad there. Engine's still super clean. Like, I just beat on this thing every day, and like, it's pretty tidy. Due for an oil change soon, but I mean, it's still looking golden, so we'll leave it for now. But it really gets bad. Like, what? So dirty. Just slowly started, yeah, in this corner here, and I ended up, yeah, repolishing this again. Was good. So yeah, we put the 13 wheels back on. Well, the Kiwami's back on the 13. That's looking good again. Pretty much just, yes, got like a decent list for that now. Of parts to get, so stuff like brake master, brake booster, brake lines. I'm probably just gonna go GK Tech everything. Make it super simple, super easy, good quality, warranty. So if anything does go wrong, you know. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go, yeah, because I literally need front brake lines, rear brake lines, the inline hydro setup, engine bay brake lines, pretty much everything. I mean, yeah, that's all good. Like, I could probably get some cheap, like, you know, like factory brake lines of some hard lines and that, but 30-year-old stuff, I don't really want to be putting that in the drift car. Parts in there, make it all good, so yeah, we're just gonna get on to cleaning this thing up slowly but surely. It's probably gonna take me the whole day, but it's all good. We're on lockdown, so I mean, I got all the time in the world right now, so boom. Just gonna use a bit of brake clean just to get some of the powder and dirt off. It'll just yeah, bring it up so we can wipe it off pretty easily. So yeah, just gonna put me a towel over the engine. That'll probably be a good idea. Oh, these will do. These will do. So now we got some rags on there just to keep all the stuff out, or anything that decides to exit the engine bay while we're cleaning it. So yeah, make sure you do that, and now we can get back into it. But I was just drinking my go-to V. You let me know. Surely it's blue, hopefully not green, because I'll be pretty disappointed if it was green. Like, I mean, you're all good, but like, this is where it's at. Bloody good. Fucking mint. If that was green, I'd be like, and then carry on, but ooh, that blue hit different. And as you can see, that was not held up. So we're not doing too bad. Yeah, in the corner, yeah, some of the paint came off, but yeah, it's just because it was caked up with powder. So it's all good, it's all good. She's looking better, slowly. Now we just need to get in here and clean all this up. Even look at that. Oh no.